Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? How are you today? Please come in. Please come in. This is my desk. This is my desk.
Can I sit here? Can I sit here?
Please turn on the computer. Please turn on the computer.
Do you need help?
Huh?
Do you need help? Let's start the meeting. Let's start the meeting. Please take some notes. Please take some notes. Can you print this file? The printer is over there. The printer is over there. Let's have a coffee break.
Let's have a coffee break.
What time is lunch? What time is lunch? Let's eat together. Let's eat together. I have one question. I have one question. The work is finished. The work is finished. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Have a nice evening.
Same to you.
Have a nice evening. Goodbye. Goodbye.